In this video, I'll show you how to change the clock size on iPhone using iOS 26. First, swipe down from the top left to open the lock screen. Now, press and hold on an empty area of the lock screen. Tap Customize to edit your current wallpaper. Tap directly on the clock. You'll see a small handle just below the clock. Press and drag this handle down to make the clock bigger, or up to make it smaller. Once you're happy with the size, tap Done. If you don't see any change, check for notifications. When notifications are visible, the clock automatically shrinks. Clear notifications to see the full clock size. Also note, only the default clock font supports resizing. If you choose a different font, the clock size will stay fixed. And that's how you change the clock size on iPhone 17 Pro Max. Like and subscribe for more iOS 26 tutorials.